Just how many jobs are going to be replaced by AI? There are sensational estimates, and many people are truly concerned. About a month ago, Goldman announced a prediction that AI could lead to 300 million layoffs in the US and in Europe. Digging deeper, what they actually found is that based on occupational tasks for the US and Europe, that maybe two-thirds of current jobs are going to be exposed to some kind of AI automation. There was both mockery and emotion when the forecast came out. Hello, this is Trac Bannon reporting from Camp Hill, Pennsylvania. Many pundits, many research organizations, and many social media watchers are trying to estimate or guesstimate what the future holds when it comes to layoffs or reduction in workforce based on generative AI as applied to our work. The problem is that the early projections appear to be sleight of hand or monkey math. A recent example highlights this. Dropbox has announced that they will lay off 16% of the company. However, they're building out their AI division. Is it a fair assertion to say then that 16% are being laid off because of AI automations? Not exactly. The actual statement of strategic business planning is, quote, "The cuts will allow the company to build out its AI division," end quote. Separately, Bloomberg reported that IBM's CEO, Arvind Krishna, may pause hiring because they're thinking about roles that could be replaced with artificial intelligence in the coming years, not today. This is a more rational sign and, quite frankly, smart planning. A short pause to realign hiring strategy. We do need to keep our finger on the pulse of the decisions by these industry leaders. Keep in mind that IBM has added 7,000 workers in the first quarter, so clearly humans will be in the picture now, we hope in the future. Those folks who are normally part of back office functions, such as human resources, may see a slowing. If you allow there to be an extrapolation and forecast, conceivable estimates are that 8,000 jobs could be lost, replaced, or dramatically changed. That's right. The term is dramatically change in the role. All this being said, AI assistance is expected to save Big Blue nearly $2 billion by the end of 2024 when it comes to repeatable, mundane tasks. Yet who are we to believe? Mathematician, pollster, pundit? At a minimum, we know that massive changes are on the horizon. Will this be similar to when vinyls were replaced with cassettes that were eventually replaced with CDs and now exist on our online streaming media collections? Perhaps contrived, but perhaps something to think about. Bottom line is that we all need to understand the basics of what AI is and what it is not. We need to experiment with the tools available to us to understand what could help us in our day-to-day jobs and perhaps even take those recommendations forward to our leaders so we can focus on solving bigger challenges together. Clearly, the impact of AI on our future gives us all something to noodle on.
Search for and subscribe to It's 505 wherever you listen to your favorite podcasts.